How do I know if I have a valid personal injury case?
One of the first questions that people always ask me is, how do I know I have a case? Or what is my case worth? Those are always questions that need to be answered with a lawyer. So at Strong Law, we prioritize listening to you, hearing exactly what happened to you, and then we need to ask delving questions in order to be able to identify, is there in fact a claim and how can we help? The number one thing I never want folks to take away from a conversation with us is that they don't know any more than when they first contacted us. And so it's a priority for us at Strong Law to listen to you, to hear exactly what happened in your circumstance, and use our skills and our ability to identify A, what claims you may have, and B, who those claims can be against. Because there's almost always a situation where it seems like a very clear-cut case against one individual, but the more we talk to you, we actually identify other people that could potentially be responsible for their own negligence in causing harm to you.
How long do I have to file a personal injury claim?
A big question I get asked by almost everyone that calls in is, how long do I have to file my claim? The insurance industry has worked very, very hard to make it seem like you do not have much time and you can have your case or claim closed and they'll no longer evaluate it. In Missouri, that is not the case. So in Missouri, one of the things that we pride ourselves at Strong Law is knowing the different statute of limitations. The general statute of limitations for a personal injury claim in Missouri is 5 years. And so when the insurance company tells you, if you don't contact me within 10 days, I'm going to close your claim, that's just bluff. Importantly, though, there are shorter statute of limitations. The wrongful death statute of limitations in Missouri is 3 years. Medical malpractice not resulting in death is 2 years. And so those are very, very critical timelines because they're much, much shorter than the general standard and they require action much quicker.